Hi, this is Mariano from MFabric. In the previous video I showed you how to integrate VerneMQ, an MQTT broker with MFabric straight without an integration in the middle using MQTT over WebSockets. So while I was reading the documentation on VerneMQ, I noticed that they expose all their metrics on a topic on the same broker. So I said, okay, that will be interesting to play a little bit. So I just built a dashboard to monitor VerneMQ using MFabric. It's quite simple. You could use some DevOps monitoring tool for it because it's basically numbers, but it's interesting that you can build a quick dashboard to monitor your tools if you don't have a tool available using MFabric. So what I did was, in this case it's a little bit more interesting. I subscribed to wildcard topic. On MQTT you can subscribe to wildcards and it will subscribe to all the topics under that. And so I get a lot of events, one event for each metric for each time it's read. So what I do next is I parse. If you see the format of the topic is the node name and then like a category and the name of the metric and then the value of the metric. So what I do is I split the text of the topic with a slash, and then I get the first. I ignore the first two items because it's sys and then the node name. I could take the node name and put it on the metrics also, and then I get the next item and it will be the category, and the rest of the items from the string I will join them with a dot here. So that's the name of the metric. And I emit a new event with topic, the value, parsing as JSON the value, which is always a number, the category is extracted, the metric items in case I want them, the list of all the items, and when it was generated. And here is the new thing. Since I'm using a wildcard, I'm getting a lot of events on the same stream. This is the channel I'm subscribed to with the wildcard, and in destination name I get the actual topic from where the data comes from. So I do emit this object to the category I got. So now I have local streams that you can see here. If you drag and drop a source and you select local event, you can write a channel, and if you use emit to, then you can emit to that channel. So what I'm basically doing is splitting the incoming stream, which comes all from a single subscription, into multiple local streams to make it easy, because the alternative will be that I will create a subscription and configure the MQTT topic and host and port for each metric, and I will have to copy and paste those. So I think this is easier. And then I consume clients, metrics here, memory, system stats, and then I push them as usual to a line chart. And it looks like this. And I just added a logo of VerneMQ because why not? Here, using the template widget. And you cannot see the image here because it's white, but it's there. It's this one. And in a couple of minutes we have a dashboard for VerneMQ running, which you can use in case you are using VerneMQ and MFabric. You can monitor VerneMQ straight from MFabric. I hope you like it, and of course there are many metrics you can explore over here, and the list of all the exported metrics is here, which you can see it's a lot. These ones are many for each line. So you can build more than one dashboard to monitor specific things like publish, subscribe, sockets, connects, messages, bytes, and stuff like that. So I hope you liked it. And this one will be also available as a template on MFabric, so you can load it in case you're running VerneMQ. If you have any feedback or question, just contact us on the usual channels, Twitter, Facebook, or in the YouTube comments, and we will happily reply. One thing I forgot to mention, using MQTT over WebSockets, it's a really easy way to get started, but what you will get is that you don't get the replay at the beginning, so you won't be able to load the, for example, the most recent 100 metrics for each type. So when you load the dashboard, it will take a while until it populates, but it's an easy way to get started consuming and exploring topics from an MQTT broker and building a dashboard. And when you have something to show, you can add, for example, Event Fabric Connect in the middle and send it to the Event Fabric backend. And in that case, you will be able to use the state loader to load the recent events for each stream when you load the dashboard. So that's all for now. I hope you liked it. Bye.